In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DocuSign to OneDrive for an easy integration, providing a full guide for 2025. Let's jump right in and streamline the way you manage your documents and signatures. To initiate, you'll need to log into DocuSign. Head to the DocuSign login page and sign in with your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top right corner where you'll spot your profile avatar. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This will open up a panel where you can manage and customize your DocuSign account settings. Now, let's navigate to Connected Apps. Look for the left-hand menu and choose Integrations or Connected Apps. This section will showcase a list of all the applications available to integrate with DocuSign. Carefully scroll through this list until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Once you've located OneDrive, it's time to connect it to DocuSign. Simply hit the Connect button next to OneDrive, and this action will prompt a new window to pop up. This is a Microsoft sign-in window. Use your Microsoft 365 or OneDrive account credentials to log in. After entering your details, you'll be asked to grant DocuSign permission to access your OneDrive files. It's crucial to allow this access to synchronize your document workflow seamlessly. Now that your accounts are connected, let's explore the benefits and ways to use OneDrive with DocuSign. First off, you can send documents for signature directly from OneDrive. Open a document in your OneDrive storage and click on the DocuSign add-on or the Open in DocuSign option. You'll then be able to add recipients and any necessary fields before sending the document out for signature. This integration allows for a smooth transition between selecting a document and initiating the signing process. You also have the option to access your OneDrive within DocuSign. From DocuSign, select New, then send an envelope. Here, you'll choose to use a template or upload a document. Select OneDrive as your document source, browse your cloud storage, and select the file you need. This process removes the hassle of downloading files and uploading them separately, keeping everything in one efficient flow. Finally, an exciting update in 2025 is the automatic storage feature. After a document's signature process is completed, you can now set it to automatically save back to OneDrive. This ensures that all your signed documents are stored in one central location for your convenience in record keeping. By integrating DocuSign with OneDrive, you've now harnessed a powerful combination of tools designed to make your document management and signing operations more efficient and hassle-free. Thank you for joining today's session, and happy signing.